Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can connect Robinhood to your Autopilot investment app. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your Autopilot app on your phone. You can install it from Google Play Store or App Store. After that, just open it. Then you just have to click on this button, Explore Popular Portfolios. And now you just have to enter your mobile number on here. Then it's going to send a verification code to your number, so just enter that verification code and then click on continue. Then you will be able to see this similar screen. From here, click on this pick a pilot option. Now on the screen it will display all the popular pilots that you can copy, so you can choose any of them. I'm going to choose this Jim Simpson's tracker. After you do that, you need to click on this bottom button, select Jim Simpson tracker button, and then it might ask you to allow notification. You can click on skip for now, and then from here you have to choose your Robinhood. After that, click on continue, and now you just have to enter your Robinhood account details such as your username and password, and then click on connect. And once you do that, your Robinhood account will be linked to your Autopilot, and the selected trade tracker that you have selected will automatically enabled on your Robinhood account and will purchase all of their holdings. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.